In this video, we are going to fix the 0xc800001fe Windows Update error. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that? At day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you have to open the settings window, you need to navigate here at the left pane and locate with the option called System. Click on it. And under the system settings, you need to scroll down, locate for an option which is the troubleshoot. Click on here. And afterwards, you'll see three options. Click on other troubleshooters. Next is to go with most frequent and then go with Windows Update and click on run. So run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. Wait until it will be done. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. And once you have succeeded on this troubleshooting, you need to start the Windows Update again and check if it's working. Okay? However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to do a system file checker. How we can do that? At the search box, you need to type for CMD. Once you have typed it, the best match should appear. You need to navigate at the right side and go with the Run as Administrator. Click on it. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this command prompt. Now from here, you need to copy and paste these commands. I want you to copy and paste it here. So the first is to do SFC scan, and this will do system scanning, and this will help you to find corrupted files, and it will help you to automatically fix it. And this process will take some time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. It will depend on the machine. And once you are good, okay, you need to proceed to the second command, which is to check the health of your computer. Copy and paste it. Once done, proceed to the third, which is to scan the health. Copy and paste it. And then proceed to the last, which is to restore the health. Copy and paste it. And once the procedure has been done, you need to close the window and then restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, try to run the Windows Update again and see if it's working. Okay? Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.